The most important development in Canada this quarter was the latest bank reports. Last year, we highlighted a significant new accounting rule, IFRS 9, which regulates how the banks have to report their loan losses. We said that the result of this change would be more volatile bank earnings, which may make forecasting them a little bit more difficult. We also said that the result of this may be faster recognition of loan losses when the economy slows down and potentially lower bank valuation as a result of higher earnings volatility. A year and a half later, the result of this change is that in the past 2 quarters, 4 out of the 6 largest banks missed analyst earnings expectations, something that has not happened since 2010. Expecting this, we maintained an overall underweight in the large Canadian banks. In TD, Scotiabank, and CIBC, our weight is roughly in line with the TSX, and in BMO, our weight is roughly twice the TSX. We have no holdings in RBC, but we hold 5% in Equitable Bank, which is not in the benchmark. We believe it does. The Canadian banks are not only about real estate and mortgages, they are highly diversified financial institutions. Lately, the Canadian economy has been rebounding. One of the indicators that we look at is freight activity, and the Canadian railroads have been very busy, also partly thanks to the implementation of the free trade agreement with Europe. As such, we do not believe that these high provisions will persist. Specifically to the question, housing markets in Toronto and Vancouver have been stabilizing lately, and industry-wide mortgage balances increased over the last 2 months. Lately, also there are discussions in Alberta about ending the oil curtailment regime, and importantly, unemployment rate is still very low. We believe that just as provisions increase fast, if our view on the economy is correct, these provisions will decline just as equally fast. As such, we recently increased our weight in the banks. We recently increased our weight in TD from underweight to benchmark weight, and we are close to concluding our work on RBC and potentially adding it to the portfolio.